Video is how to use the advanced find feature in our web pages. So we're going to expand the advanced find. Let's say that we have a credential that someone had and they lost it, or it is broken, or something happened to it where you don't want it to work at the doors. So if you don't remember that person's name and you only know the fob number or the card number or the PIN number, what you can do is in the credential field you can type in that PIN number, fob number, card number, and you can type it in and click find, and it'll find that person. You can click on them and you can either deactivate that person entirely if you don't want their credentials to work at all at any doors, or you can expand the credential subsection and you can select that record for that credential and remove it out of the system. And you can assign it, and we have another video for that as well. So yeah, that's how you do that. And then this also works if you want to search for a group of people. So say I want to find all my adrenaline people that are in this group Adrenaline BlueWave, and it'll show up with everyone that is in that group. And same goes for any other group, as well as the cell phone. If you only have that person's cell phone, and if that data is in that person's cardholder profile, as well as email, employee ID, last name, and first name. And that's how you do it.